Tired of OneDrive folders not deleting properly? I'll show you the exact clicks to permanently remove any folder in seconds. All right, let's talk about what we're going to do. First, we'll navigate to My Files, select the folder, then confirm deletion. Let's go step by step. So the first thing you want to do is open up OneDrive in your browser. Make sure you're signed into your account. You'll want to land on the main page where you can see all your files and folders. This is your home base.
And here's the thing. A lot of people get tripped up because they try to delete things from their computer's file explorer, and that can cause weird sync issues. So we're going straight to the source, right in the browser. Just head to onedrive.live.com, and you should see the My Files view. That's your starting point. Now, locate and click the folder you want to delete. Take your time here. You might have a lot of folders, so just scroll through until you find the right one. And I want you to click on it once to select it. Don't double-click to open it, just a single click. You'll know it's selected because it'll get a little check mark or a highlighted border around it. This is a really common mistake. People double-click and open the folder, and then they're stuck wondering where the delete option went. So just one click to select it, and then we can move on. With the folder selected, find the delete option in the toolbar. Now, depending on your screen size and layout, this might look a little different, but usually you'll see a toolbar running across the top of the page. Look for the icons or menu items up there. There should be one that says Delete, or it might show up as a trash can icon. Sometimes the toolbar is a single row, sometimes it wraps if your browser window is narrow. Just scan left to right across the top, and you'll spot it. Click on that Delete option. And that's it for this step. You've told OneDrive you want to delete this folder. Now, a confirmation dialog appears. This is OneDrive's way of saying, are you absolutely sure? It's a safety net. You'll see a small pop-up window with a message and two buttons. One button says Cancel, and the other one says Delete. Just click Delete to finalize. And here's the really important part. At this point, the folder moves to your OneDrive recycle bin. It's not permanently gone yet, so if you made a mistake, you can go to the recycle bin and restore it. But if you're certain, you're done. The folder is moved out of your main files. If you also want to permanently delete it to free up space, you'll need to go into the recycle bin separately and delete it again from there. But for the sake of removing it from your daily view, this step is what you needed. And that's it. From confusion about deleting OneDrive folders to confidently removing them without any leftover sync issues, this guide was put together with a very specific tested walkthrough so you can trust every click we just made. So now, whenever you need to clean up your OneDrive, you know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.